welcome back to another YouTube video. So I was about to wash my wig and I thought, why don't I pick up the camera and show you how I do it. If this is the first time that you are hearing about this wig on this channel, then definitely check out this video that I will link up above, which is the background on the wig and explains everything in there. Okay, so you are going to need, of course, a wig, a towel, shampoo and conditioner, and a special wig brush. I'm doing this in the kitchen because the sink is bigger in here, but you could do this in the bathroom sink too, just whatever you prefer. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay out the towel on a big space like this. So first we're going to brush the wig from the back side and then flip it over and do the bottom. Next, I am holding the wig from inside the wig with my thumb on the part on the top, and I'm going to rinse it with not too hot, not too warm water, just the same as you would use on your own hair, not to damage it. Shampoo, and for my shampoo and conditioner I use these two from Pureology. They are the ones that my wig maker recommended, so of course I trust them. They are the Hydrate line from Pureology Professional Color Care. So it is Hydrate shampooing for dry colored treated hair. And then the conditioner is the same thing, it's just the Hydrate line again, conditioner for dry color treated hair. So what I'm going to do here is shampoo in the direction of the hair very gently, and then flip the wig over and just gently get the inside lace as well. Conditioner. I'm going to add the conditioner 2 inches away from the base of the hair and then leave it to sit for 10 minutes and then come back and brush it. All conditioned, I'm just going to leave it on the towel and come back in 10 minutes. Okay, we're back. It's been exactly 10 minutes, so I'm just going to brush through this, and then I'm going to actually rinse this off because it is just regular conditioner. And then I'm going to, once I rinse it, let it sit for about 20 minutes before I brush it again. And by the way, this time I'm using cold water. I am just going to gently towel dry it off now. Just getting rid of all of that excess water. Alright, so now that it's been 20 minutes, I am just going to first brush the wig on the towel here, and then I'm going to brush it again on the mannequin head. So the reason why I do that is because brushing it on the towel, when it's just laying flat on a table like this, is more gentle on the hair. And then the purpose of brushing it on the mannequin head is to make sure that it's all going in the right direction, and then it dries nicely, naturally, without like a weird part or anything. Notice that I am holding the top of the mannequin head as well. Now that it's all brushed out and looking good, I'm going to, from the top, brush the hair backwards, because since it's wet, once it dries and then you brush it back, like, forward to the side, then it'll have volume in it, which is obviously really nice. Okay, perfect. So now the hair is wet. What I love about this wig is that it dries naturally straight. So if I just leave it like this, then it will dry pretty nice. And especially combing it back, it'll have that volume once I pull it forward. So yeah, I'm just going to leave this to air dry, which is nice because obviously I want to protect the quality of the hair, so it's nice to not have to use too many heat products on it. I do want to Dyson Airwrap it just to give it a little bit of body and some movement, but I'm going to do that after it's already fully air dried, because right now you can't, it almost looks a little bit dry on camera, but I think that's just the color. It is pretty wet. It's like soaking wet here. So yeah, I'm just going to let that air dry, and then I will come back to show you guys the next step. Hi guys, so it is the next day now. So the hair has dried. It feels for the most part pretty fully dry. There's like a little bit of wetness throughout, but like ever so slightly. Otherwise, it's pretty dry. So what I'm going to do is just brush it out now with that same brush. And that pretty much concludes how to wash the wig. I actually like to then style it with the Dyson Airwrap. That way the next time I wear it, it has a little bit more body to it, I guess, because as you can see, it's like really pretty straight, which is fine, but I like to have a little bit of wave to my hair, and I just feel like it looks nice and more natural. So to just wet this a little bit more, and by the way, you could always, like if your wig is natural hair, you could always blow dry it if you want it to dry faster. Mine was basically the same amount of dry yesterday. I'd say it dries air dry on its own within a couple of hours. So definitely plan ahead, but you don't have to wait a full day like me. I just like to. But anyways, so to get it a little bit more wet, I'm just going to spray it with a spray bottle. I just keep one of these and I just fill it with water. So I just lightly spritz around the hair. Just brush it through for a bit. And then I'm going to take the Dyson Airwrap with the curling tools. I basically like to take the top of the hair and just take it in little sections and just air dry it back. And then it does make a pretty solid curl here, but since it's Dyson Airwrapped, it's going to fall, and I have to remember that. So yeah, I'm just going to continue going around the head, and then when I get to this side, just flipping to the one that curls the opposite way. You can see the arrows on here. And yeah, just pretty much just keep doing that and spraying it again if it feels like it needs it, if it's not really curling and there's not enough water. So it is done now. I've gone all around the head just doing Dyson Airwrap curls. These curls, since they're not done with heat, it's really just with the water and the air, they don't hold as strong, which is what I want. I'm not going for a curly look, I'm just going for a wavy look, so I know that this is going to drop. So to let it cool, I'm just going to let it sit like this, not touch it. I'm gonna go do a dance workout class, and then when I come back, I might like spray it and finger comb it a little bit, and it'll be ready to wear. Alright, so back from my dance class, I'm all showered and everything, and I'm going to put the wig on just to finally see how it looks with the style and everything. And also I'm going to go meet a friend. So yeah, just to finish this video off to show you the final product. I wear a wig grip like this because, well, it's what Show Me More at the wig place gave me, but also it keeps the wig in place so well. I just posted a video on my TikTok and I'm wearing it like out the car window, and the wind is pretty strong and it's not moving. So yes, I have to face the mirror to do this properly. I always like to check it on the sides. I use one of these rat tail combs to just take out some of my baby hairs in the front just to blend it. So like all of this kind of in like the side front right there. And yeah, I actually think that came out really good this time. I feel like this is the best my wig has looked, besides when I actually got it from the place. But I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to just kind of like lightly go through it a little bit. But yeah, I actually feel like that is so cute, and I love the way that it turned out. I also love that I can put my hair behind my ears and just wear it, and then it looks natural. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with my friend. We're gonna get smoothies and just walk around, and she also said that she wants to buy flowers, so a lovely spring day. If you want to see that, I'm going to vlog it, so make sure that you're subscribed so you can also see the vlog. I'll leave it linked up above once it's live. It should be probably the video after this one. And yeah, I will link everything down below, including the wig, where I got it from. If you want one like this one is custom made, so it was based on a picture that I showed Shlomi, and also just taking into consideration like my own hair and head size and everything. But he does virtual appointments too if you don't live in New York. So yeah, and I'll also link, of course, the shampoo and conditioner and the brush down below and everything like that. So make sure to check that out in the description box, subscribe for more, and hopefully you found this helpful, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Okay,